In this video, I'll show you how to check if someone is active on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat and tap on the map icon in the bottom left corner to open Snap Map. If the person shares their location with you, find their Bitmoji on the map and tap on it. You may see a status such as now or a recent timestamp, which can indicate when they were last active on Snapchat. Another method is to check your chat with that person. Open the chat tab and select their conversation. If Snapchat displays a recent activity status or shows that they were active a few minutes ago, that can give you an idea of when they last used the app. You can also post a story and monitor who views it. If the person appears in your story viewers list shortly after you post it, it's a good indication that they have been active recently. Keep in mind that Snapchat does not always show someone's activity status, especially if they have certain privacy settings enabled or do not share their location. And that's how you can check if someone is active on Snapchat. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.